one. Live action out the back.
Yeah, let's see what he's got. As he said, he's been here many times and he wants to give it everything he's got. His front side air reverse. He'll ride out of it.
Come around the corner. Kelly now setting up his first move, going for the punt. Lays back, and he recover.
Game. You better watch out. Yeah, you better watch that. But here it is, Nic Muscroft, great first turn, Joe.
As he comes around the corner again, blasting it off the lip. Nice pace for Nic Muscroft. Rips it off the top again. Can he be a giant killer here?
He fakes it. He lets Mushy go. He wants the one outside. Mushy needs to build on a 6.3, and he does everything he can to the inside there. Gets a little foam, Rio. But Joe, what's happening outside? 0.07. This is as good as it gets, folks. The 11-time world champion. Can he do it? First turn is a big one, straight in the pocket. I've got chicken skin, Joey.
Big wrap into the pocket for Kelly. He needs this score. It's starting to slow up, but he needs this thing to work with him. He's going to fade it back again. Nice rebound in the pocket. Kelly's feeling it to this inside section, wrapping another carve. He needs a huge finish if he wants to put up a fight to pull off this one. Closeout section. Goes for the big air reverse and stops it right on the sand.
Oh, my goodness.
Actually thought I had him on the last wave when I saw the wave go really fat. I thought he's got to pull out a huge air or something to get this score, and of course he did.
You know, just somehow I was lucky to get 8 seconds left and get that one. Luckily the set had come through because it made the face super clean, so I was able to get that big carve to start. And then it went a little dead, but I got enough speed and I was looking for that section inside, and it threw out really weird. And I thought, oh, it's gonna catch my rail. And it just launched me perfect and let me have a pretty good cushion to land. So I thought it was going to be close either way. And, you know, I would have been stoked for Nic. He's such a good guy. And obviously everyone here was really pulling for him.